Good morning, March 25th. Today, in our Crafting Clarity, we look at productivity from a different angle. Instead of talking about how to add tasks, let's talk about how to cut them out. Try this powerful tool. Our message of the day is: create your not to do list. Often, our success is defined not by how many things we did, but by how many unnecessary things we were able to confidently say no to. Why is this important? Our energy is like a phone battery. Every yes, every minor task, every I'll just check the mail, it's up 1-2%. And we have such a surprise by lunch. We are already in the red zone. Yet the most important work still lies ahead. Why is a not to do list crucial? It protects our golden time. Remember our talk about deep work. A not to do list is a fence around our inspiration. It's a list of actions we officially forbid ourselves from doing during our most productive hours. Fighting decision fatigue. Every time we think, should I reply to this message now? We drain our resources. With a clear rule, I do not reply to messages before 1 p.m. We don't waste energy on doubt. The decision is already made. Pareto principle in action. If 20% of tasks yield 80% of results, then the other 80% of tasks are simply candidates for our not to do list. How to create your list for today? Pick 3-5 items to consciously ignore. For example, I do not check social media until the workday ends. I do not agree to meetings without a clear purpose, or those over 30 minutes. I do not redo work that is already good for the sake of an illusory ideal. I do not get hung up on minor technical details until the creative part is finished. I do not do household chore during my golden time. Let's anchor this in crafting practice. Today, when you feel the temptation to get distracted by a quick task, remember your list. Say to yourself, "This is not in my priority right now." In the evening, analyze your day. Assess your energy battery and the new space that appeared for breathing and big projects. Productivity is not about being busy. It's about being effective in what matters most. I believe in each of you. The Crafting Clarity by Advance Embrace.